This lovely, nice hair unit is sponsored by and in partnership with LaVivid Hair, who I'm going to be working with and bringing you some really cool content. And since I last posted my video about a week ago or so, and in the videos that I've posted, I've been getting a few comments, actually a lot of comments, about specific questions in relation to wearing a hair system. Now, in the last video I did, I talked about how to get your hair back, and some of the most important key things when it comes to wearing and picking out a hair system. I talked about the color. This is my natural color from when I was a lot younger, and I want to talk about a few things that you guys mentioned and asked about in the last video I made, which I took this unit off, or this system off, and I showed you my exposed bald head, right? And of course, when I put this on, I look and I go, damn, I think I look a hell of a lot better with the hair. I'll be honest with you. I do feel pretty incredible wearing this. But I want to talk to you about, should you wear a hair system or shouldn't you? And also to talk about a few things. Now, one main topic I want to get across to you guys is somebody said, he goes, I was going to purchase one of these hair units from LaVivid Hair, but I saw that you're shaving your head again, why, which made me question why I should do that. So people have been asking me, why did I shave my head? Go back to buzzing my head. Well, I realized this, that I built up my brand as being a bald guy, which made me very unique in this industry. And I said to myself, I just want to be true to myself and my brand and stick with being bald, okay? And that's it. I made that decision. How do I feel wearing a hair system? How do I look? Well, you tell me. I've gotten a lot of people saying, hey, you look great bald, and blah, blah. A lot of people saying, oh, this looks horrible on you. Now let's talk about the second thing. Now two, I should say, is yes, I have gray hair coming in, right? As I get older, and as we all get older, we get gray hair, and hair falls out. I, as a solution to this, could easily color this and my beard to match this, right? I can do a light brown or a dark blonde. I'd probably do a dark blonde, level 7 or number 7 on my hair and my beard, and that would completely almost match up 100% with my mustache, which is, I really don't have a lot of gray in my mustache. And this is my natural color, which is like a dark blonde. I could easily color that. I can grow out my sides, which I tried doing. The issue with my sides is that the hair is not the same texture as it was 20 or 30 years ago, right? And, well, actually not 30 years ago. What am I talking about? But yeah, it's not the same texture that it used to be. So it's getting a bit coarse and wiry, and when the hair gets gray, it has a tendency to do that. Could I color it easily? Yes. But the same thing with the beard. Could I color the beard easily? Yes. This is a look, even though it's a bit of a quiff here, right? And it's disconnected, this still could pass for a look. I could still get away with this, right? I'm looking at the monitor. I could still get away with this type of look. And what I think is great about wearing a hair system or hair unit is that it really looks very, very natural, and it brings you back to your youth. Literally people tell me I look 10 years, 15 years younger, and I truly appreciate that. So I guess the real main focus of this video is, why would you, as a bald guy, promote a hair system? Well, this is why, because you have options. Now look at this. I have no problem going out and telling people I have a system on, and I make a joke of it. Right? People say, "Oh, you look great," or "What? How'd you?" Oh, it's a hair system. It's a hair unit. It's new technology. It's something that's amazing. It's human hair, and once I start to break it down, people are just like, "Wow!" It looks great. They stop questioning it because of how real it looks. And again, this is color 18. This is a beige blonde, and this is what the system itself looks like. Now, it's lightened up quite a bit, when it's cut a little shorter and washed a number of times. I feel that it's kind of, it's lightened up a little bit on its own, but this is what it looks like. This is the ultra thin base, Euro thin base right here. And it's a poly base, so very, it's like skin. That's why when you do this, you can see your scalp. Again, I went back to shaving my head because I feel like it's me, right, as a bald guy and my branding. But I could put this on when I want. Look at this, and even in this video, I feel it looks pretty good. And for those of you who are wanting to know, let's go a little bit closer here, wanting to know kind of what is going on as far as the style goes, well, I cut this myself, believe it or not. I cut this myself. The top is to about right here. So the top comes down right there, just about to my eyebrows. And the key, like I mentioned in my other video, or videos of talking about this, is that you have to make sure it's layered. And I'm gonna do a video about cutting a hair system, which I did do a video of cutting my own hair when this was on, so you can go back and watch that. But I do wanna actually demonstrate, if you do decide to go this route, I'm gonna be doing, and that's part of this whole content thing, is I'm gonna be showing you guys different things. Once everything settles down and we can start, you know, being around people again, I'll start doing models and stuff like that, makeovers, which I'm looking forward to. But yeah, I mean, this is something that cutting this unit yourself, you know, it may be kind of a big deal and could be a bit difficult, but it also doesn't have to be. You know what I mean? Like, I can show you some cool things that even if you go to a stylist and get cut it, you may go back home and go, you know, there's just something not really, it could be a lot better. So I'll be showing you guys that. So I hope the whole point of this video was to say, you know, why am I, you know, promoting this, a hair unit or a hair system, when I'm shaving my head again? Yes, but I could also go back to this. And that's what's unique. That's what's unique, and that's who I am. That's what I've built up over these years, as being a bald guy. But now I can be a bald guy or this. So I'm actually kind of embracing it, and I don't want to take this thing off, to be honest with you. So now, here's the grand finale of this. All right, get ready, everybody. Get ready. I'm able to peel this off very easily, and this is what it looks like, everybody. I'm able to peel this off very easily because, and I can feel the glue on my head, because I didn't apply glue to my head, but there was some remaining glue on this, right? Some remaining glue on this from the last time. And I have no problem. Look, this is, when I shave my head, this is the other thing. When I shave all this off and I color my beard, I look younger even with a shaved head. It's just that I haven't been really taking care of myself as much as my grooming because of what's going on. I'm you know, not around anybody and kind of isolated. So that's it, guys. You can choose a hair system. You can get one. Don't be discouraged or anything if it's because I'm shaving my head or I look like this, because I can easily jump right back to this. And I just may, because I think I look pretty damn good with this thing on. Let me know in the comments below. Again, this is in partnership with LaVivid Hair, and there's a 15% discount code if you use code TheSalonGuy at checkout, LaVividHair.com. Really, really great quality. I'm telling you, this is human hair. It feels and looks amazing, and I'm really happy to be working with them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with TheSalonGuy.